Hello, and welcome to this demo of Okahu AI. I'm Prasad, co-founder and CTO of Okahu. In today's demo, I'm going to quickly show how Okahu can monitor an agentic application that's hosted in AWS Agentcore. So for this demo, I'm using a travel agent application that's implemented using AWS Strand's agentic framework. It's an agent that does mock travel booking for your hotels and flights. It uses a model that's hosted in AWS Bedrock, and the agent itself is now hosted in AWS Agentcore. So let's go and do a quick test. I'm going to go to the agent endpoint and run a test. So let's ask this agent to book a flight. Now, an agentic invocation or a turn is basically your agentic framework keep asking LLM for the next step. And the LLM could say either, call a tool or delegate to another agent, or basically the work is done and just finish the turn and return the response to the user. So in this case, my agent said the operation is successful and it has booked a flight. Now I want to know what exactly happened under the cover, what steps this agent took. So if there is something that's wrong or unexpected, I can walk those steps and try to figure out what went wrong where. Now, I have already instrumented this agent to send telemetry to Okahu. So let's go to the Okahu portal and see what happened here. So I'm going to go look for the latest traces that happened in the last 5 minutes. And I see this one trace of my last agentic invocation. So if you see this telemetry, the first message is really the HTTP message that received by my Bedrock agent core for this agent. It started the new agentic turn, which essentially invoked the travel agent. It asked LLM what to do, and the LLM here says use a tool with this particular prompt that it should give to the tool. So it called the flight booking tool with that prompt and it's got the response. Then it called the LLM again for the next step. And this time LLM says the job is done, just end the turn because the booking is already done. So that's where I ended the turn. And as you can see in the summary, I see the input that was passed to the agent and the response I got back from the agent, along with a lot of additional attributes. So this is a quick overview of how Okahu can help you understand what's happening inside your agent. So if there is something wrong, you can decide whether this requires you to change the model, change the code, or change your system prompt, etc. So thank you very much. Please check out okahu.ai. You can get the single user tenant subscription for free, and you can try out this with your own agentic framework applications hosted in AWS Agentcore. Thank you.